Hello guys. I always have a feeling that a lot of people they don't understand one simple thing about money, which is why the people with more money they can make money. A lot of people they can't understand this, and instead of making their account bigger by investing more, by saving more money, by trying to save more money, I have seen people who I taught them before, like individually, it means by person. um, when I ask them about how do you invest, some people they invest 2% of their paycheck, 5% or 10% or 20. I find some people who are doing more, like 20%, which is so good. Okay? And some people are doing the basic. The basic in order to have a small fortune is to make 10% of your money. Especially when you are young, you don't have a lot of expenses. It is the time that you should make a lot of money saved, because any money, any dollar that you save, it is what it goes to your investment and what makes your capital bigger and bigger. Now, a lot of people they think that investment is just you make one time. For example, they open an account, they put 5,000 or 1,000 or 10,000, whatever they have, and they say, okay, this is it. I'm not going to add anymore. Now, this is a mistake. Okay? It is a mistake because your account is too small. And when it's going up, it will be not that fast. So the main thing what you should do is try to pump this investment. It means put more money, buy more stocks. Even if you are an investor, for example, you don't trade too much, or day trader or swing trader like us, okay? You can just buy more stocks and put your money, put more and more. There are a lot of people they sometimes they are middle class, lawyers, doctors, accountant. There are a lot of people, businessmen. They make a lot of money, but the problem they don't save any. It's all spent. And this is a real problem, because when you are going to age, okay, and to become older and older, if one time you want to stop work or you want just to go travel in the world, you need an investment. You don't need. Let's say you don't want to work anymore. Like I see a lot of people at 45, at 50, they stop working because they have too much investment. They have businesses and they give them money, so they just go travel the world or just have fun without worrying a lot about money because they have worked so hard when they are young. Now a lot of people they do the opposite. They spend all their money and they say, oh, it's just little money. They spend it all. They don't invest, and that's why their investment stay smaller and smaller. And then when you see someone is making more money, you think that this guy is just because he's more intelligent than you. No, he is not. He's just made some good choices where you didn't make, and you don't want to make. Okay? This is all. Investing and trading is about choices. What do you choose for yourself in the future? And this is the investment, trading, investing, all that stuff is about just to accumulate wealth and not to spend too much. You can spend the thing that you need, but try to think about your future. And this is the most important thing that here in America they neglect. And where thousands of people, like in 2008, when they get fired because of the crisis, that is the biggest hit they will have, is that whenever you stop from your work, you can't work, whatever is the reason. They fire you, or you laid off, or you have an accident, or whatever you have. Okay? The main thing that comes to you, the first thing is money. If you have done some good thing in your life, investment, you invest a lot, you will find your money and you are okay. But if you don't, okay, you don't have any money, so you will be in the street, and you will see that a lot of people are in the streets, especially in the time of crisis. Okay, so try to invest more. Your account is small, yes, but don't let it small. Make it bigger and bigger and bigger through years. You have time. Just try to have a good choice and you will succeed. Believe me. Thank you very much.